The stock transfer feature in Orderhive is designed to help you to transfer stock between warehouses or stock storage places. Hence, you can make sure any of your warehouse never runs out of products that are high in demand and need quick replenishment. In Orderhive, when you initiate a stock transfer, the process gets divided into 4 stages, namely to ship, awaiting receipt, received, and completed. Let's see the steps to be followed to transfer the stock. Go to the stock transfers page from the main menu and click on Add New Transfer. In the pop-up window, select the origin warehouse under Transfer From and select Destination Warehouse from Destination drop-down. Then add items by searching through SKU or name or by scanning the product barcode. Then enter the quantity to be transferred. You can also add a note for future reference. Lastly, click on Save to add the transfer in the system. Once saved, you can see the transfer in To Ship column. At this stage, if you need to edit the transfer details, simply double-click to open and then click on Edit. Once the transfer process crosses this stage, the stock transfer details cannot be edited. The stock transfer can also be deleted, cancelled, or printed at any stage. Now click on Ship to process the transfer. You will get a prompt for confirmation. Click on Yes Ship, and this will move the transfer to awaiting receipt column. Once the stock reaches the destination, open the transfer page from awaiting receipt stage and click on Receive and then Done to move it in the Receive stage. Then once the stock has been received, open the page from Received stage and click on Complete. It will prompt a confirmation to mark the stock transfer as completed with a notification. One or multiple stock transfer can also be printed or deleted. Simply select one or more transfer with single click and then click on Delete or Print. That's all you need to know for stock transfer through Orderhive. If you have any doubts in this, you can chat with the Orderhive expert to know more. Subscribe to Orderhive channel now for more videos. Happy stocking!